Hey guys, let's see what we can solve in this video. I'll just read the problem. The diagram below shows a rectangular wooden block with its dimensions, which talks about this diagram. Yeah. Find the maximum number of 2 centimeter cubes that can be cut from it. That's question 1. Question 2 is how much of the wooden block would be left after the maximum number of cubes have been cut from it. Yeah. Let's see how to solve this problem. See, it says that, this is the dimension. The length is 24 centimeter, the width is 9 centimeter, and then the height is 15 centimeters, right? Now, let's find how many cubes can be cut. How many 2 centimeters cubes, like the number of 2 centimeter cubes. Right, so that's the question 1. So how many we can cut from it? Yeah, so for that what we need to do is, right, all the side, right, see, this is the length, this is the width and the height. How many 2 centimeter cubes can fit in it? Yeah, fit in it. The excess we cannot take it. The excess we have to just ignore it, right? Because we just want exact number of 2 centimeter cubes that can be cut from this wooden block, right? Okay, so for that what we do is, right, the length is 24 centimeters. So from on the length side, how many 2 centimeter cubes can fit? If you put like 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, how many 2 centimeter cubes can fit? Yeah, to find that, what we can do is, right, we can just simply divide the length by 2, right? Because this is 2 centimeters. If it is 3 centimeters, then we have to divide by 3. If it is 4 centimeter cubes, then we have to divide by 4. But here, since it is 2 centimeter cubes, so let's divide by 2, right? So in that case, how many cubes can fit? Again, we are not finding the length. We are just going to find how many cubes can fit in this length. Yeah, so for which we will do, what we will do, we will divide the length by 2, which is equals to 12 cubes. Yeah, 12 cubes can fit on the length side. Now on the width side, how many can fit? So on the width side, it is 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. We cannot have excess, right? We just need to find exactly how many 2 centimeter cubes can fit. So in that case, to round it up, we have to take the lower whole number. Yeah, lower whole number, which is 4, right? We cannot take the 0.5. Yeah, and then for the height, also 15 divided by 2, which is equals to 7.5. So again, same thing, we cannot have excess, right? So we have to just find the exact 2 centimeter cubes that can fit on the height as well, so that we can find how many cubes can be cut from it. So in this case, if you take the nearest round, the lowest one, yeah, which is 7, sorry, yeah. So now the number of cubes, right? That's the question 1. Number of cubes equals to, we just multiply all of them, 12 times 4 times 7, which is equals to how much? 4 times 12 is 48, and then 7 times 8 is 56, and we put the 6. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 5, 33. So which is 336 cubes. That is what? Answer 1. Yeah, so we found the answer 1. Now answer 2. The question 2 is how much wooden block will be left after we cut this many cubes from this block. Yeah, got it, right? Okay, so for that what we need to do is we need to find the volume of the entire thing, because it is asking you to find the volume of block that will be left after cutting this many cubes. Yeah, 2 centimeter cubes. So for that what we will do, first we will find what is the volume for 1 cube. Yeah, volume for 1 cube is equals to how much? It's all 2 centimeters. So 2 times 2 times 2, you know, right? Length times width times height, which is equals to 8 centimeter cube, right? So now the volume of all cubes, all the 336 cubes. So for that, what we need to do? 336 times 8, right? 336 times 8. How much will that be? If you multiply by 8, right? 8 times 6 is 48. We put 8, and 3 times 8 is 24, plus 4, 28, and then we put the 8. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26, right? So which is 2688 to 2688 centimeter cube, right? So that is the volume of all the cubes, right? But the question is, we need to find how much the wooden block will be left after cutting this many cubes. So for that, we need to find the volume of the whole block first, right? I mean, not first, but we need to find the whole block's volume also, in addition to finding these things, right? Okay, so now let's find volume of the block is equals to, what is the measurement given? It is 24, 9, and height is 15. So 24 times 9 times 15, right? So let's multiply this one. So first let's multiply 15 by 9. 15, 9, right? 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4, 13. So then we have to multiply 24. 2 times 5 is 10. No, not 2 times. This is 4, right? Yeah, okay. 4 times 5 is 20. So we put the 0. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And then 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, 5. 540. 2 times 5 is 10. We put the 0. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. And 2 times 1 is 2, right? So let's add them. 4 and 5 plus 7 is 12, and then 3. 3240, 3240 cubic centimeters, centimeter cube or cubic centimeters, right? So that is the volume of the whole block. Now the excess, right? There, what is the question actually asking? The leftover block, right? Which is the excess block, right? So excess block is equals to 3240 minus 2688. Why? See, we found how many blocks we can cut here. 336. The volume of 336 cubes is this much, 2688 cubic centimeter. Now the whole block, right? The whole block's volume is 3240 cubic centimeter. So from this volume, we are already cutting it off. I mean, cutting off this much. So if you subtract this volume that you are cutting off from the whole volume, then you will just have the excess volume, right? Yeah, okay, so that's what we are going to do here. So 3240 2688. So let's subtract. So here it becomes 10 minus 8 is 2, then we have 3, then 13 minus 8 is 5, we have 1, and then it becomes 11 minus 6 is 5, and then here it is 0. So which is equals to 552 cubic centimeter cube. So answer 1 is 336 cubes, and then answer 2 is equals to 552 cubic centimeter, right? Easy, guys. Yeah, see, whenever you have something to do with geometry, and if you are dealing with some sort of diagram or figures, it will be always easy.